Hello everyone! I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate my son, Kyle. When my son sent me a message, he asked me to click a link. So I actually clicked the link and waited. Parang papunta na ako sa isang site. So when I checked, ito pala yung website na sinasabi niya na ibubuo niya. And I was so excited about it. So I go and check. Then, nakita ko yung picture niya, yung mga profile niya, yung ginawa niyang website. So, nakaka-excite. There was this one time na he mentioned to me na sabi niya, Mama, give me time to finish my training. Para siyang isang school. He actually stopped recently lang sa college, sa school niya. So, actually, he's a ECE student. Nag-stop siya para to recover his academic difficulties muna. So, habang naghihintay, ginawa ni Kyle itong site na ito. Tapos, of course, tinapos niya muna talaga lahat yung training sa school na yan. Tapos, after he done everything, nag-work na siya, tapos nag-introduce na siya sa mga company na i-work niya, ganun. So, it was a big surprise sa family, sa amin lahat na nagawa niya talaga. So, anak, congratulations, and this is a very, very good gift na ginawa mo sa sarili mong birthday. Kaya nakaka-proud ka talaga, anak. Kaya I would like to take this opportunity to thank you sa mga ginawa mo. At saka, I would like also to thank Bianca, of course, his long time partner talaga. I love you both. Kasi she also supported my son through this journey. Kasi silang dalawa ang nag-workout nito. Kaya sa inyong dalawa, congratulations from the bottom of our hearts. Kaya tuloy-tuloy nyo lang yan yung mga pangarap nyo. Alam ko, kasi alam ko na ang dami nyong plano sa inyong kayong dalawa. Kaya talagang proud na proud ako sa inyong dalawa kasi nagtutulungan kayo. You support each other, you help each other, giving support, giving time. So, kaya ang galing talaga. Kaya sa mga friends ko dyan, in case magpagawa kayo ng website, just message us or message my son. Or maybe you can ask their contact numbers for me, just message me. Yan yung certificate niya, na na-complete niya. So, talaga, when he sent this to me and he gave me the good news, parang ako pa yung na-surprise sa ginawa ni Kyle. So, anak, thank you so much for doing such a great job, for doing such a great honor to the family, to me, to your brothers and sisters. And I am so really very proud of you, nak. Kasi, syempre, giving you the trust, kasi you promised me something, then of course at the same time I gave you the trust that you can really do it, kasi nakita na naman talaga kita na you persevere to do your plan, your ideas, your ambitions. So anak, 2 thumbs up to you. Congratulations again. I love you so much. This is one of the best birthday gift na binigay mo, na binahagi mo at shinare mo dito sa amin at sa mga kapatid mo. Kaya anak, we love you so much. Congratulations. And salamat din sa blessings na shinare mo sa amin, sa mga kapatid mo. Kasi now you're sending us money. Parang galing sa fruit of labor na you receive, na natanggap mo. Talaga, I will pray for you always, anak. You're always in my prayers. I love you, anak. Thank you for your support to your brothers and sisters, even until now. Congratulations to the new CEO. I love you, nak. Bye!